Watch him. There you go.
Oh.
Yep. Whoa. That is so cool.
Let's do it. No.
Hold on, Blair Bear. You gotta watch, okay?
Buddy.
Okay, comes right in there. Look at that. That is super cool. Okay. What are we gonna do now? Awesome. We gotta do this, right?
Load it again.
Load it again. I wish there was an easy way to load this up.
I wish you could do this.
Blair. Blair, no, we're gonna watch this. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it go first.
Good job.
Yeah. We're gonna see how far we could go. Okay. Look at it. Did it stop? Okay. Now we stopped it. We stopped it. No. I have this little munchkin's trying to get to it. Here you go. Reload it, kiddo.
Right here?
Yep. You back up. You back up. You gonna turn the wheels? Turn the wheels. You did it?
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're gonna turn it. Whoa. Choo, choo, choo.
Let's see how far to go.
You little munchkin. This one is trying to get to it. Whoa, that is super cool.
That is.
Hey, dude. You ready to... Whoa. Okay, Liam. Go for it, kiddo.
Oh, hold on. The napkin?
Yeah. Amazing. Good job. Okay, we have 2 of our things loaded. We're ready to go with the train.
Okay.
Sit it there. You gonna push the button? Good job, Blair. Come here. Yes. Not yet, boo-boo. I know, we are so eager, huh? We're so eager. Hey, Liam, when this runs out, what are we gonna do? We're gonna reload it, right? You wanna turn the wheels? There you go. Oh no! We got stuck. Who wants to do this? Liam? Liam? Okay. Up. You sit right there, Blair. Go, Liam. Back up. Oh, you got a little eager one over here. We have Godzilla. Godzilla. Not yet. Oh, it's going in a circle. Hold on, Liam. Okay. You gonna stop it? Not yet, Blair. Not yet. Oh, no, dude. We're trying to go all of it, okay?
Yeah.
Almost. Okay. Okay. Now, let's continue.
I'll push it again.
Here, turn the wheels. The other way? No, other way. Yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
So it would be a circle, right? Okay.
Yes.
that's so cool. Hold on, Blair. You
Now
gotta
we
wait.
have something.
Oh no, turn the wheels, Liam.
Oh, got it.
There we go. We're gonna avoid the table. And then you wanna get some, you gotta move the chair. Move the chair. Other chair, yeah. Move it out of the way, Liam.
Here.
Oh, it's all done. Okay. Okay, kiddo.
Okay, stop it.
Turn it off.
This way.
Okay. You have the extra dominoes. How about you fill in the hole right here? Hold on, Blair.
Let's get started.
Hold on. Okay, Liam, where are you gonna start it from?
Right there.
Okay.
That.
Go. Nice.